해나 취미가 뭐예요?
저의 취미는 음악 감상이에요.
아, 요즘 어떤 음악 듣나요?
저는 요즘 K-팝에 빠져 있어요. 스티븐의 취미는 뭐예요?
저는 요즘 낚시 빠졌어요.
오, 진짜 재밌겠다.
네.
Hi,
Hi.
and welcome back to another episode of
한국남매, where you get to learn how to speak Korean and hear us talk about all kinds of things revolving around the Korean culture and customs. All kinds of stuff like these things
Oh my god, look at that one.
and those things.
Oh my god.
What are we talking about today?
Oh, we're gonna learn about hobbies.
취미,
That
hobbies.
is really important thing to
Yeah.
introduce myself.
Do you have hobbies?
I
You
have
a-
hobbies.
Sure, right?
A
Who
lot
doesn't
of,
have
yeah.
hobbies? I'll try and guess your hobbies.
Okay.
And you try and guess my hobbies.
We've
And-
never talked about before.
Right. Let's just try and name two hobbies, okay?
Okay.
Hobby number one,
Uh-huh.
bungee jumping.
Oh, come on.
Knitting. 그치?
Oh, like girlish things. I don't really good at, using my hand.
Okay.
So,
Listening to music.
oh yeah, that's right.
Is that right? Is that
Yeah,
right?
because I'm a DJ.
All right, you are. Yeah.
I have my own radio show.
That's right. Super good, super
I know,
famous.
you
Yeah.
need to.
Reading.
Reading! Yeah! I love reading a book. Okay, let me
They
guess
are pretty
your
fun.
hobbies.
Okay.
Badminton?
Badminton.
Yeah, not
no,
really?
totally no.
Okay.
No. Not sports. A very developed physique.
Traveling!
Yeah, okay, you got one. That's one.
Okay?
Yeah.
Just let me know. That's really hard.
Photography. I love photography.
Oh, that
Yeah.
is so good! So
Yeah.
you have your good own camera.
Yeah, I have my own camera.
Anyway.
Yeah. Let's talk about hobbies in Korean. Korean people really take their hobbies seriously.
Right. 한국 사람들은 취미에 돈을 많이 써요.
They spend a lot of money on their
Right.
hobbies. Going to like a hill, like a big hill, people dressed up in
I know. And they're really expensive. Like a
us up,
full
Martin.
setting,
Yeah. Sometimes like I feel like totally, it's like going to like an event and being underdressed. You know what I
Like-
mean? You're like,
like
okay, I'm gonna do
strolling.
exercise. You just wear like a dirty t-shirt
Yeah.
and shorts, go up the mountain. Everyone's like, ah. 하나는 취미가 뭐예요?
제 취미는 음악 감상이에요.
요즘 어떤 음악 듣나요?
저는 요즘 K-팝에 빠져 있어요. 스티븐의 취미는 뭐예요?
저는 요즘 낚시 빠졌어요. 하나는 취미가 뭐예요?
제 취미는 음악 감상이에요.
요즘 어떤 음악 듣나요?
저는 요즘 K-팝에 빠져 있어요. 스티븐의 취미는 뭐예요?
저는 요즘 낚시 빠졌어요.
취미가 뭐예요?
취미가 뭐예요?
What is your hobby?
음흠.
What is your hobby? My hobby is 제 취미는
제 취미는 오케이.
My hobby is listening to music.
아하.
음악 감상이에요. What kind of music do you listen to these days? 요즘,
요즘.
어떤 음악을 들어요?
요즘 어떤 음악을
들어요?
들어요?
Korean pop.
Korean pop. Yeah, around the world. What is it, the Korean wave?
Yeah.
Yeah.
BTS. Oh my god, I love Jungkook.
Uh,
Sorry, that was like really Jungkook. Anyway, K-팝에 빠져 있어요.
빠지다. That's a
빠지다.
good word to know. You'll hear that a lot. Like 빠지다, but 빠지다 has like
빠지다.
several meanings, right?
Right. Usually that means like fall into the water like that.
That's right. That's right. 물에 빠지다, right?
물에 빠지다.
물에 빠지다.
저는 요즘 K-팝에 빠져 있어요.
아, 저는 요즘 K-팝에
K-팝에 빠져 있어요.
빠져 있어요. 저는 요즘 낚시에 빠져 있어요.
재밌겠다.
재밌겠다.
Sounds fun.
Yes. 하나는 취미가 뭐예요?
제 취미는 음악 감상이에요.
요즘 어떤 음악 듣나요?
저는 요즘 K-팝에 빠져 있어요. 스티븐의 취미는 뭐예요?
저는 요즘 낚시 빠졌어요.
취미가 뭐예요?
In English, we have to say, what is your hobby, right? When you're talking
your
person.
hobby?
But in Korean, you can just drop that. What's hobby? Kind of, right?
Directly.
I'm talking to you. I don't have to refer to you. What is
Right.
your hobby?
I think that's it for today.
열공하세요.
열공하세요? What does 열공 means?
열심히 공부하세요.
Yeah. Study hard.
Did I just teach you Korean?
Yeah.
Have I taught you Korean?
You are Korean.
From us to you.
yeah.
한국
남매 열공하세요.
네.
Bye bye.